Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing unboxing of the brand new Google Pixel 3a. So as you all can see, the packaging is pretty simple. The price mentioned on the box is 39,999. This variant is of 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of ROM, and it comes with 12 megapixel of rear camera and 8 megapixel of front camera. So this phone basically focuses more on its camera, for which Google Pixel is known for. So yes, let's move forward and do the further unboxing. So let's get started. So here's the phone in the box. So we'll do one thing, let's keep the phone aside and see what all is there in the box. So here we get a SIM ejector tool as well as some paperwork, and in the box we get a C-type cable, and we also get very good earphones. So let's check what type it is. So yes, we get very good quality of earphones. It's some extra earbuds, and also we get a 18-volt fast charger. So I think the charging will be very quick on this phone. So as well as we get a OTG. So you can see, so you can connect any pen drives or USB on the phone. So let's move everything aside and we'll take a quick outlook of the phone. So let's remove the protective cover. So as you all can see, the phone is very sleek and as well as it's too handy. So it feels so good in hand. So as you all can see, it's a just black color variant, and the body is of polycarbonate. So it feels very good and as well as very handy. So on the right hand side we can see over here the volume rockers as well as the power button. So on the top side we can see the noise cancellation secondary mic as well as the main thing which is needed. It's a 3.5mm jack. And on the left hand side we can see there is a SIM ejector. So we'll just check with the SIM. So as you all can see, this phone comes with a single SIM, so it's not a dual SIM phone. So we'll put that tray back and we'll just go down here. So here we get the speakers as well as our C-type, this one. And when we come to the screen, it's a 5.6 inch OLED display phone. So we're gonna be having the wonderful, very colorful and bright display over here. And on the top, we get the 8 megapixel camera. And if you go back, we get the 12.2 megapixel camera. This phone is only known for its camera. So we'll just check out later on.